It's still moving in, I see it.
All right, guys, so it's the next day. So last we left off, we were banging the shit out of Brother Kervis's new hitch adapter. And let's just say that it was like 15 inches long and it stopped at about like 8 inches. And no, it stopped at like 4 inches. So basically came out here in Overliable. The good rig, trailer's still the same, you know, obviously, but show you guys the difference. Look how that hitch fits in there. Brother Kervis, without the adapter, it was like the hitch was moving everywhere. It's like throwing a hot dog down a hallway.
Just to give you guys the comparison, this is pretty much what we're referring to. It's not supposed to be like that.
So, you know, we had to lose a day, and now we got Overliable out here. So, I just signed in. A lady in there has a crazy attitude, but it's my first time at Copart. I've been to IAA, and that was kind of a pretty straightforward, easy transaction. This one's a little bit more complicated. As you can see, there's a ton of other people here just waiting to pick up their cars. So right now we're just gonna wait, and then hopefully they drop off the car. And when they do, we'll go over the car, show you guys what it is, what it looks like, and then we'll talk about how much we're gonna charge Brother Kervis for this favor. Just kidding. But all types of crazy things getting dropped off. Look at that. That's like a Maserati, maybe? I don't know. The 3 little vents on the fender looks like a Maserati, but that thing is burnt to a crisp from the mirror back. Even that mirror's melted. They're having problems loading it though. It's hitting the fender. Come here just for a show. Look at this dumped Audi. Is it like A3 or something? Thing is tucking. Huh.
One eternity later.
Our car's here. He's right there. Right there. Right there. He's going the wrong way again. Why is he dropping it over there? What the hell? Oh, he's picking it up the other way. Fire. Oh yeah. Brother Kervis bought another turd. Little Honda Civic. Yes, sir. Let's get it. They might stop us from recording, so I'll record what I can from here. I think I got a crazy spoiler. Straight out of Fast and the Furious. That thing is funny. Looks pretty good though.
2 seconds later.
They might stop us from recording. Stop.
2 quick things.
Yeah.
One, no recording.
Okay.
You're not allowed to do that.
Okay.
I saw you send the delete that. That's I'm gonna have you pull up here so you can get you loaded.
Okay.
All right. So just mind just showing me you deleted that. You can take pictures like when it's on the ground.
So I gotta pull up. Guys behind me. He's throwing a temper tantrum because I was recording him. Here it is. It's not bad. I think this was in a front end collision. Doesn't look terrible. That support looks pretty straight. I mean, there's obviously a little bit hit on the hood and the freaking huge dent there. But let's see. Freaking quarters are mint. Cousin Gary, this would be a great shell for Cousin Gary. It's like a little bit of rolling there, but this thing is clean. Even the spoiler for Cousin Gary, since he's such a racer. Oh, this one was rolled too, but there's no rust really. It's just, they were just rolled. Not bad. Interior looks pretty good too. Even these Steelers got good tires. Got drum brakes and everything though. But interior, you got this freaking tablet, and there's the bumper and the side skirts. Headliner. I think Brother Kervis wanted the headliner. This thing is shot. But a little sneak peek right quick. Has an SI cluster and so I guess this is an EX. Right, power locks is an EX. Nice SI cluster, 205,000 miles. So Who knows the original mileage of this thing? Hey, VTEC swap. Looks like a B16. It's definitely a B16 head because that's a stock B16 manifold. Alright, let's see. There's a VIN up, B16A2. Oh god, this is freaking filthy. EM. Does that say EM1? What does it say? What the heck? Can't see it. Yeah, I think it says EM1. It's hard to tell, actually. Can't tell, but I think it's an EM1. I don't know, what the heck? Yeah. Yep, EM1. There you go, EM1. You can barely make it out, but it's there. So it's a P16 swap. Nothing too cool. Let's see how has some header. Definitely has an exhaust. I've seen it. Looks like it's good on oil. Should we try to start this thing? Cold air intake, some mumbo jumbos type of stuff. Battery looks decent condition. I'm gonna try to start this. I already rolled my ankle once. Battery, I'm sure it's dead on this thing already. Nice stock key. Oh, it has. So it's definitely an original manual car. Oh, the horn works. Definitely an originally manual car. And the tablet here is a little messed up, but it's fine. All right. That means, whoa. It's in gear. Oh, there we go. Let's see. Let's try to give it some gain. That's why we started. It won't stay on for some odd reason. So it won't stay on. So looks like a nice little turd he bought. But either way, let's close this up. I don't even realize I was locking body in. Let's close this up. Strap it up real quick. Alright, so I got the paperwork, and I've now been here 2 hours, but look at this little combo right here. Well worth it. All right, Brother Kervis's car has been delivered. Definitely looks like some sort of abandoned project, which it probably will be knowing Brother Kervis. But he's absolutely abused of my free labor and about like 4 hours of my life that I'll never get back. But the bucket is here, delivered. Don't hit me up for your transporting needs. So Brother Kervis is gonna follow up on another video with that, showing you guys what he's gonna do with it and why he bought it and how much he bought it for and whatever else he wants to tell you. But for now, I'm out of here. See you guys on the next one.